to the 6th episode of Let's Make a Postcard Together with Edge Design. I'm extremely happy to be conducting the 6th episode in a row, and our workshops have been spreading so much joy that brands and our friends and family have been requesting to do workshops with them. One of my very dear friends and someone who is a great entrepreneur in her industry is joining us today to do this workshop together. Can I take a quick minute and introduce Ayushi Natani to all of you? And Ayushi, hi. Let me quickly put you on spotlight. Can you please unmute yourself? Ayushi? Are you here?
Hello.
Hi. Can you put the camera on so that I can see you? So guys, Ayushi has a brand called Bumblebee, which does bed linen for children. They're very, very cute things. You should check it out. Stuff that is easy to use, and if you don't have a baby around you, very easy to gift also. No,
Pranika Didi.
put your camera on.
Pranika Didi.
Yes.
Can we keep a 1 second? Okay, there is some which one unable to. Can we keep a paper this? Is this the right inch? Can we keep this much big?
I can't see your camera. Your camera's turned off. But a paper like this would do. So Ayushi, while you're figuring out your why don't we start the workshop, because we have a lot of people who joined us, and we can obviously do our introduction. So again, a very warm welcome to all of you. I'm going to quickly put all of you on mute. If you do have something to say to me during the workshop, please feel free to wave at me, unmute yourself and ask me a question. We are doing this workshop today with the Bumblebee family. Like I said, Bumblebee does beautiful baby linen, and we are making a postcard today with the theme Me Time, because all the moms and moms to be associated with Bumblebee need some me time, don't they? And all of you who is joining us today need me time as well. So this is the beautiful postcard that we are going to be making today. This postcard is of a person who's nicely on their magic carpet, spending their me time, spending their quality time with themselves. Isn't it very important to make sure that we spend some time with ourselves? I will also tell you a little about our postcard journey while we draw together. So if all of you are ready, let's please lift our postcards. Do all of you have your postcards? Awesome. So what we're going to do today is, we are going to start drawing. We are first going to start with the head of the lady, which is a little like an odd-shaped peanut. So something like that. As I always say, we don't have to be perfect, we just have to have fun. So once we've all drawn the head, we're going to draw the hair. Now what I love about this postcard is the hair is absolutely beautiful. And Ayushi, I know you're listening to us. Whenever you find your connection, I would love for my friends to know you and to introduce you. So please let me know. So we are going to draw the hair something like that. It can be wavy, and if you want to make your hair different, if you want to have straight hair or maybe like spikes, please feel free to do that. I'm going to do this on both sides of my postcard. I like long hair, so I'm going to keep the hair long. If you want to keep the hair short, you can do that as well. And then we're going to do the body. Make sure that your body is relatively short, because otherwise we won't be able to fit the whole drawing. So the hands go like that, and we take it in and bring down the legs like that. we've achieved so far. I hope all of you are following, and I hope all of you have been able to draw this much. This me time is just important to spend some quality time with yourselves, guys. So make sure you have a nice cup of milk, Bonvita, coffee, tea, whatever you like, or some music. Nice. Some of you are showing me your tea, coffee. I'm happy. So now that we've come so far, let's draw the rest of the body. So I'm going to finish the legs like that. So our lady is sitting in Padmasana, something like a very casual Padmasana, and I'm sure all of you are familiar with the easiest yoga pose. Your lady can sit however she likes. This is an easy pose, this is casual, comfortable. So I want her to sit like that. So once I do that, I'm also going to join her hands in a namaste. So what I've done here is I've just joined both my hands and legs. Why I've kept it so rough is because we are anyway going to color in black over here. So it's absolutely fine to draw a rough hand and leg structure. Can I see everybody's girls? And we have so many of you who haven't put on their cameras today. Why, guys? Don't be shy. I want to see your work. Please put on your camera for a second and show me what you're doing. Awesome, nice. Looks good. Thank you guys for putting on your cameras. I'm happy to know not all of you are camera shy. Alright, let's get back to drawing. So now that all of us have reached so far, we are going to draw a namaste with the hands, which is going to be a very simple namaste like that. So all I've done here is taken my pen and drawn a hand like that. If they meet, great. If you feel like you were just drawing in a rush and it wasn't able to meet, that's fine also. When you color in, we'll be able to make it look like a proper namaste. And after this, I'm going to draw the legs. So in my original drawing, if you see, I had drawn heels, but today I think she's feeling easy and casual, so we can do something that is a little more comfortable. You can draw your own pair of shoes. She can wear sneakers, she can wear absolutely anything that you like. I'm going to make her wear heels that are a little like that have a little curve and look a little cute. Now I know that the postcard ends up looking cute and a lot of fun, and don't judge your postcards. It's about enjoying what you're making. I'm sure what you're making is beautiful and your postcard would definitely be really, really cool. So now we are going to go ahead and make the magic carpet, my favorite part of this drawing. The concept behind this drawing, when I was drawing this, was that our carpet can take us to anywhere we like. So what you see here is I was able to draw the full carpet because I had a bigger palette that I was working on. Here, because my postcard is smaller, I'm keeping my carpet small. So it's absolutely okay to alter your drawing depending on your canvas. So this is my carpet and I'm going to draw beautiful edges. I had given my carpet square edges or rectangle edges earlier, and today I'm going to give it triangular edges like that. So please make sure your carpet is beautiful because this is your magic carpet. Give it the edges that you would enjoy having your carpet. We can also make a beautiful design on our carpet when we start coloring in. And I was telling you about why I love this magic carpet, because isn't the whole concept of me time being on a magic carpet, doing whatever you like, and that magic carpet can take you to your world of dreams. So after we've achieved this much, we'll quickly make the lips and the nose of the lady. The lips, you can draw like that. The center of the lip is like a bird, so you can start with making a bird. Let me show you an easier way of doing that, a bigger way. So we do a bird like that, and then we join it from the corner like that, and and then you can make a smile. So this is an easy trick of making lips very quickly. So bird, join corner and smile, and remember to add this little curve. Just in case you're not able to do that, it's absolutely fine. Your lips can even be a pout, just like a circle like that. It can be a smile like that, of course, or it can be just a tongue coming out or whatever you want. And I'm going to draw her nostrils, which is just to keep it interesting. I'm not going to draw the eye right now, but if you want to add the eye, you can absolutely do that. Once you've done this much, then let's match our clouds to her hair. So I love how we've drawn our clouds over here, and that is what makes this entire drawing very relaxed. Doesn't it have a very relaxing vibe? So before we draw the clouds, can I quickly see everybody's progress? Have we all been able to draw the lady so far? I hope I'm not going too fast. Oh, nice. If you think I'm going fast or slow, please let me know, guys. Awesome.
Ma'am, please go a little bit slow.
Okay, sure. So this is what we've done so far. For everybody who's catching up, I'm trying to hold the drawing close so that you can see and copy it. And if there's any step that you would like me to, please let me know. If there's any step that you are not being able to achieve, let me know and I'll be happy to repeat it.
How to make the hand?
Okay, I'll show you how to make the hand. So while we are doing this, and if you've already been able to finish it, why don't you go ahead and complete the clouds like that. The clouds can be in any number, they can just be spread all over. I like them baby like this. If you like your clouds to be different, please go ahead and draw different beautiful clouds. Now for the hands, we are going to just take two structures and join them like this, like we do Namaste. So what I've done here is, I made two L's and then I made two slanting L's on top of it, so it looks like a Namaste. I hope this is clear. I hope this answers your question, and I hope you're able to make Namaste hands now. So after this, we are going to now finish the clouds.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. We're going to now finish the clouds, and then comes my favorite part, coloring the postcard. So I'm keeping my clouds nice and wavy. And this is what the drawing of my postcard looks like. Now, no matter what your postcard looks like, guys, once you start coloring them, once it's fully colored, the entire beauty of the postcard changes. So don't judge your postcards, don't judge your drawings, whatever you're doing is awesome. If all of us have been able to achieve this, can we go ahead and start coloring? I need a thumbs up, I need to see your postcards. If your videos are off, put them back on and wave at me. Oh, nice. Looks good. Awesome. Great. Ayushi, before I go ahead, do you think your video can work now? Have you been able to do that?
Tanika, I don't know what's wrong. I've been like trying to fix it, but it seems to work.
No problem. Why don't you say hello to our entire postcard family? And
Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you're safe, all safe and taking care, staying inside.
Guys, I'm sure you can tell my friend is as beautiful as she sounds. So even without seeing her, I'm sure you can sense the positivity that she brings to this workshop. And I'm sure to share a picture of her with all of you, or maybe you can go on her page and see what she's doing, what amazing things she's doing, and why today's Me Time theme was all around her beautiful brand. So now let's start coloring. I'm going to actually start with the magic carpet. So I'm using this yellow.
Okay, so now let's begin coloring. I'm going to start with Magica.
So, we're going to start coloring and we are going to do the carpet first. I'm using this yellow.
Ma'am, I don't want to color.
Okay, no problem. This is your magic carpet. You can keep it black and white. Don't worry. So I'm coloring my magic carpet yellow. If you want your carpet to be any other color, or please add a pattern to it if you like. There can be polka dots, there can even be a beautiful Mughal pattern if you're feeling artistic today. You can do stripes, you can do a bright red color, you can do an orange. Just throwing ideas. So my carpet is almost complete. And for my tassels, I'm going to do a different color on my tassels in the end. Now I'm going to color the sky. So this is how far I've come. And now we're going to color the sky. So I'm using a typical blue. If your sky is feeling happier today, or maybe like a subtle, soft color, you can use any color. So you can even use like a beigeish like that. This is one of the postcards that we did a few weeks ago. And while I color my cloud, I'm also going to talk to you guys about what we do. So Edge Design is actually a communication design studio where we offer services for communication and graphics. And the most exciting part of our month has been that we recently launched our stationery line called Sketch by Edge. And you can have a look at really awesome party products. We are making fun postcards and we are making ready party kits. Since all of you are inside right now, all you have to do is pick up the kit and you can host a birthday party.
Excuse me,
Yes.
ma'am, can I do pink color in Magic Mat?
Yes, that's a lovely idea. Please do pink.
Okay.
Alright. So I'm sure you're all enjoying these beautiful voices joining us every now and then. Please check out our page Sketch by Edge India on Instagram for all the cute things we've been making. If you are postcard lovers, I'm sure to say that you would really enjoy the kind of things we're doing. We also have a YouTube channel called Sketch by Edge where we keep uploading our workshops. So if you missed on to a workshop and if you want to draw it again, you can go there and our entire episode will be uploaded. So if you want to share today's workshop with a friend or if you want to repeat it with a family member, please go to our channel, look at the episode and draw it. And guys, whenever you draw it, please share the love, tag us, send me pictures. If you're not Instagram friendly, no problem. Send me pictures on the email you registered with or on WhatsApp. And for today's workshop, remember to tag Bumblebee. Their handle is Bumblebee India and they would be so happy to see your postcards also. So tag Studio Edge Design, tag Sketch by Edge India and tag Bumblebee. I've almost colored half of my sky. Remember, when you're coloring your sky, I'm leaving out my clouds white. So if you want your clouds to remain white, you can leave them out. Don't color her hair also. But of course, if you want your cloud to be a different color, it can be a darker blue or a lighter blue than the sky color, then that can be an interesting element also. So I've covered half of my postcard. Can I see all of you? What's your progress? I hope we are going hand in hand. I hope we are all coloring together.
Please, I couldn't catch up with you.
No problem.
So can you send the chat?
Yes. Please ask your mom to send us a WhatsApp message and we'll send the picture to her and I'll even send the YouTube link to her. So she can see that and make you finish the postcard. But right now you can keep drawing with us. So this is what I've done, guys, and I'm going to quickly finish my background. we're all doing this together. The beauty of doing this art is that it relaxes you, it calms you down, and it makes you forget all your stress. All you have to focus is on coloring in. It doesn't have to be perfect. Your strokes don't have to be even. You only have to enjoy the process. If you see, my strokes are not even. But just enjoy the process. I never thought I would end up enjoying these postcard workshops so much. To fill you guys on a little secret, I started doing these workshops only because my really motivating and encouraging husband asked me to just do a workshop one day because I enjoy these crafty things so much. The response was absolutely phenomenal. The love that you guys have shown to us was so good, and now every week without fail, my postcard tribe reminds me, when is the workshop? What are we drawing today? And I'm so happy that all of us have been able to make our own collection of art with these postcard workshops. So guys, if this is what makes you happy, if you're feeling comfortable, happy, calm and relaxed today with all of this drawing, then please keep coming back to us. Please keep sharing your love and keep doing this. If you don't want to do it with us every time, do it alone. Pick up a pen and paper. If you're irritated, angry, frustrated, or just wanting to do something relaxed, draw patterns, speak your heart out on paper. My background is complete and this is what I've done. So if all of us have been able to finish our background, we are going to now start coloring the body of the lady. If you're still catching up, don't worry. The colors today are very simple, so you will be able to finish this postcard. Now the hair and the clothes that my lady is wearing is going to be the same. Oh wow, some people are very fast. You can make your lady wear different color clothes also. I like the black because I feel like it makes my lady very calm and serene. So I'm first starting with her hair, and then I'm going to color her entire body. She's wearing like a full jumpsuit except for her hands, and I'm going to color all of that. I'm going to leave her face and her hands white. What I'm also going to do here is, because we're coloring her hair black, I'm going to take this opportunity to fix the size of her face and make it a little more curvaceous because I wasn't able to do it with my first stroke. So what I've done is, if you see, I've just taken my pen in and made like a curvy neck like that. So if you would like to fix the neck also, you can use this trick. Once we've colored her beautiful hair, we're going to color the rest of the body. They say that art is actually as therapeutic as meditation, as listening to music, and as any of those recreational activities that make all of us feel so calm and happy. So on the other side also, I'm going to fix her neck a little. And if you see, by fixing her neck, the structure of her face has already become a little better, and it looks like she has a happy smile on her face. So you can use this trick and fix this as well. And now I'm going to color out her body. And guys, after this workshop, please go and check out everything that we've been doing at Sketch by Edge India on Instagram. Show some love, and we are also going to be updating some of our favorite postcards on Sketch by Edge's page. So when you do share all the postcards with us, keep checking on our page for the update. Now of course, all your postcards are our favorite, don't get me wrong. But we are going to be updating them simultaneously on both our pages. At the end of this workshop today, I want you to write something very special behind this postcard. because today the postcard workshop's theme is me time, I want you to flip it around and write this postcard and send it out to the most special person in your life, and guess who that is? You. So this postcard is going to yourself, and I'll tell you what I want to write behind this postcard. This is what I've achieved so far. And now I'm going to color her shoes and her lips, which are going to be red in color. For you, if you want the shoes and the lips to be of some different color, please feel free and do that. And I believe someone is wanting to ask me something on the chat. Please feel free to unmute yourself and ask me if you like. Can I see everybody's postcards? Have we all achieved this much so far? Oh wow, nice. Looks really cool. Awesome. Okay, so I'm going to color her shoes red. And I'm going to make her wear a beautiful lip color red as well. If you want her to wear a lip color, then it can be red also, or any other color that you like. So now she's doing namaste and she has nice happy lips. And I'm going to also color my tassels now, which is going to be you guys want to give me suggestions? Please tell me what color do you want my tassels to be. Unmute yourselves and give me suggestions.
It can be pink. 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 Pink.
Okay, awesome.
Purple.
Oh wow, these are some amazing suggestions. Now I'm confused. So you know what I'm going to do, because all of you have given me such amazing suggestions. I'm actually going to color a different color on every tassel. How about that? And someone's asking me, will you be doing another postcard? Well, this is the only postcard that we are doing today, but we do a postcard every Friday, and our postcard tribe loves to join us. So please join us next Friday if you missed this one and if you joined us late. And if you want to do what we did today, like I said earlier, go to our YouTube channel called Sketch by Edge and catch up and show me the postcard later, tag us. So I did yellow, I'll do red, I'll do pink, I'll do all the colors that you guys suggested. I never thought my postcard would end up looking so cool and the tassels would be colorful. Thanks for your suggestion, guys. I would have thought of something so fun. See, that's the fun of drawing together. With these fun ideas, you never know when you end up finding something really cool. And now, because of the tassels, I feel like my postcard looks so happy and colorful. So I did all the colors that you guys suggested. And now, to end this, what we are going to do is, like I told you, we are going to draw something, write something very interesting behind our postcard. Because this is a me time postcard, I want you to turn it around, write this postcard to yourself. So write, if I had to address it to myself, I would write, Dear Pranika, these are the 5 things that I love about you. And note down 5 things that you love about yourself. They have to be completely unjudgmental, things that you think you are really, really cool about, cool for, and things that you think all of us should learn from you. And when you share pictures of your postcard with me, make sure to share the front and the back. Address it to yourself, say, Dear Pranika, these are the 5 things that I love about you. You talk so much, but I'm sure that brings a smile on everybody's face, and whatever else that you love about yourself. With all my love, me. And write the date today, and make sure every time you're feeling low, you're feeling dull, you go back to your postcard and you pick it up and you read it. Remember to always love yourself first. When you love yourself first, who would be able to receive love back from the world. Is someone saying something? I hope all of you have been able to achieve this much. I want you to stay on and finish writing the 5 things on this postcard with me. So can I see everybody's complete postcard, and can I see them addressing this postcard to themselves? We have to write it. Trust me, at the end of this, you're going to feel lovely about yourself. So turn it around, address it to yourself, and let's see what are the 5 things that you love about yourself. And then I want you to type in the chat box something that you're not shy to share about yourself. So it can be just one thing, but please type in the chat box. Type it and don't send it out yet. We are going to all send it together. So we'll have so many positive attributes. So let's go, guys. 5 awesome things that you love about yourself. So I'm writing my postcard this way. I'm cutting it into half. I'm addressing it to Pranika, the coolest. Now you can judge me all you like, but that's what I would like to call myself. And from Pranika, the coolest. So if you want to stick to the postcard workshop, a postcard format, then you can do something like this and your 5 attributes can come here. I'm so happy to hear you love the class, guys. So I'm doing a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and I'm writing, and my stamp is going to be and I love me. Alright, so now let's write 5 attributes about ourselves. Guys, I have my 5 words, and you know what I'm going to do now? I'm not going to let you in on the secret. Let's quickly write the word in the chat box. Come on. Has everybody written it? Don't send it yet. We'll send it together. Has everybody written their word? So if everybody's written their word in the chat box, 1, 2, 3, go. Send it. Guys, come on. I can't see your words in the chat box. Write to me. Tell me what you think your favorite characteristic is about yourself. Come on. Don't be shy. Someone's saying I want to draw more. Please feel free to draw more. Go to our YouTube channel and draw all our previous postcards. Guys, okay, fine. You're shy. I'm going to write my first word. And I think my keyboard is also acting shy. I'm just not being able to. Just look at this. The battery is acting out. So I'm not being able to write. So it doesn't matter. I'm going to share my words with you. My 5 words are loving, curious, happy, excited, and carefree. Can some of you show me your words, please? Come on, don't be shy. Creative, full of life and love. Awesome. That's so nice, guys. I hope you had a good time. Happy. Patient. These are lovely. I'm so happy that you can discover this. Fun-loving, loyal. All the words are trickling in. Come on, guys. I'm cool, queen, and creative. Aren't you all the best bunch? Grateful, crazy. That's amazing. Keep the words coming. Please share your love with me. Ayushi, are you here? Can we please hear a happy goodbye from you, and can we please hear how you and your tribe enjoyed this workshop?
Hi Pranika, sorry I was active on my Instagram live as well. So I loved it and as most of you don't know, I've been doing these podcasts in the last 4 weeks now, and now I've also started enjoying your postcards and started sending these postcards along with each and every order, and we have been receiving so much love and appreciation on this.
I'm so happy to hear that, Ayushi. Since we don't have your beautiful face, and since your video was not working, I was keeping the screen busy with some other happy postcards. So thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for making
So much, Pranika. Thanks a lot.
Thank you for making this workshop possible. With Bumblebee, we had a great time celebrating some
Likewise.
and you gave me a chance to discover 5 things I love about myself.
Same here.
Thanks for joining us.
Pranika.
Hope to see you again.
Okay,
Do
bye.
join us. Sketch by H India and Bumblebee India. And share all pictures with us. Email me, text me, email Ayushi. Make sure you share the love.
Yes, guys, please.
Thank you for
Thank
joining
you,
us.
everyone. Thank you, Pranika.
Okay.
Bye.
So for the ones who are still finishing the workshop, there are some really nice adjectives everybody's written about themselves. Funny, lovely, be cool, be happy, be nice, super cool. I just love these lovely words about all of you. I'm so glad that we are able to share this positivity with each other, this love with each other. And trust me, if you love yourself, the world would love you back and you would be able to spread the love and positivity more and more. Remember to love yourselves first, always. Awesome! Thank you for joining us, guys. I had a great time today with all of you. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you again. I'm signing off now.